Hello everyone. Our subject code is MC4204 and our subject title is Mobile Application Development. Unit 4. Our topic name is Android OS and iOS. Android OS. Android is an operating system that is software that connect hardware to software and provide general services. Android is an open source operating system produced by the Open Handset Alliance, that is OHA. Java language is mainly used to write Android code, even though other languages can be used. The goal of Android project is to create a successful real-world product that improve the mobile experience for end users. It is a consortium of 84 companies such as Google, Samsung, AKM, Snaptix, KDDA, Garmin, Telica, eBay, Intel, etc. It was established on 5th November 2007, led by Google. It is committed to advance open standards, provide services, and deploy handset using the Android platform. Then features of Android. It is open source. Anyone can customize the Android platform. There are a lot of mobile applications that can be chosen by the consumer. It provides many interesting features like weather details, opening screen, live RSS feed, etc. Then categories of Android applications: entertainment, tool, communication, productivity, personalization, music and audio, social, media and video, travel and local, etc. Then history of Android. The code names of Android ranges from A to J currently, such as Astro, Blender, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, Freo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, and Lollipop. Let's understand the Android history in a sequence. Initially, Andy Rubin founded Android Incorporation in Palo Alto, California, United States in October 2003. In 17th August 2005, Google acquired Android Incorporation. Since then, it is the subsidiary of Google Incorporation. The key employees of Android Incorporation are Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Chris White, and Nick Sears. Originally intended for camera, but shifted to smartphones later because of low market for camera only. Android is the nickname of Andy Rubin given by co-workers. In 2007, Google announced the development of Android OS. In 2008, HTC launched the first Android mobile iOS. iOS, formerly iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple. iOS is a mobile operating system that was developed by Apple for iPhone, iPad, and other Apple mobile devices. iOS is the second most popular and most used mobile operating system after Android. The structure of the iOS operating system is layer based. The layers between the application layer and the hardware layer will help for communication. The lower level gives basic services on which all applications rely, and the higher level layers provide graphics and interface related services. Most of the system interfaces come with a special package called a framework. A framework is a directory that hold dynamic shared libraries like header files, images, files, helper app that support library. Each layer has a set of frameworks that are helpful for developers. This is the architecture of iOS. The first layer is application layer, that is Cocoa Touch, and the second one is media layer, then core services and core OS. Core OS layer. All the iOS technologies are built under the lowest level layer, that is Core OS layer. These technologies include Core Bluetooth framework, external accessories framework, Accelerate framework, security services framework, local authorization framework. It supports 64-bit, which enables the application to run faster. Then core services layer. Some important frameworks are present in the core services layer, which helps the iOS operating system to cure itself and provide better functionality. Address book framework, it provides access to the contact details of the user. Then CloudKit framework, it provides a medium for moving data between your app and iCloud. Then core data framework, this is the technology that is used for managing the data model of a model view controller app. Then core foundation framework, it provides data management and service features for iOS applications. Then core location framework, it helps to provide the location and heading information to the application. Core motion framework, all the motion based data and the device is accessed with the help of the core motion framework. Foundation framework, objectives see covering too many of the features found in the core foundation framework. Health kit framework, it handles the health related information of the user. Home kit framework, it is used for talking with and controlling connected devices with the user's home. Social framework, it is simply an interface that will access users social media accounts. StoreKit framework, it supports for buying of contents and services from inside iOS app. Then media layer. Using the media layer, we will enable all graphics, video, audio technology of the system. This is the second layer in the architecture. The different frameworks of media layers are UL Kit graphics, core graphics framework, core animation, media player framework, AV Kit, OpenAL, core images, GL Kit. UL Kit graphics, this provides support for designing images and animating the view content. And Core Graphics Framework support 2D vector and image based rendering, and it is a native drawing engine for iOS. Then Core Animation Framework help in optimizing the animation experience of the app in iOS. Then Media Player Framework provides support for playing the playlist and enable the user to use their iTunes library. Then AV Kit, it provides various easy to use interfaces for video presentation, recording and playback of audio and video. Open OpenAL framework is an industry standard technology for providing audio. Then core images. This framework provides advanced support to motionless images. Then GLKT manages advanced 2D and 3D rendering by hardware accelerated interfaces. Then Cocoa Touch is also known as the application layer, which act as an interface for the user to work with iOS operating system. It supports touch and motion events and many more features. EventKit framework. This framework shows a standard system interface using view control for viewing and changing event. Then GameKit framework. This framework provides support for users to share their game related data online using a game center. MapKit, it gives scrollable map that one can include in your user interface of the app. PushKit framework, it provides registration support. Then features of iOS operating system. Highly secure than operating others operating system. iOS provide multitasking features like while working in the application, we can switch to another application easily. iOS users interface include multiple gestures like swipe, tap, pinch, revenge, pinch. Then iBook, iStore, iTunes, Game Center, email are user friendly. It provides Safari as a default web browser. Then it has a powerful API and a camera. It has deep hardware and software integration. Then applications of iOS operating system. iOS operating system is the commercial operating system of Apple and is popular for its security. Then iOS operating system comes with pre-installed apps which were developed by Apple like Mail, Map, TV, Music, Wallet, Health and many more. Then Swift programming language is used for developing app that would run on iOS operating system. An iOS operating system we can perform multitask like chatting along with surfing on the internet. Then advantages of iOS: more secure than other operating system, excellent UI and fluid responsive, suits best for the business and professional, generate less heat as compared to Android. Disadvantages: more costly, less user friendly as compared to Android OS, not flexible as it support only iOS devices, battery performance is poor. Thank you.